grams potatoes, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well. Heat the oil well. Fry on medium to high flame until done. One teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 green chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well. 3 tablespoons cooking oil. The oil is fully heated. Mix well. Mix all together.